Second thing which we can take from this reading today is the cure of the blind man is progressive. The healing is in stages. The healing does not happen all at once. And if we see, we might call a person lucky, a person who is going on for a treatment to a doctor, and he is healed in one appointment. Usually, when some physical illness is there, so it takes many times. It doesn't happen once. Like the healing doesn't take place once. And similar, Jesus is asking us also today through this reading. We see that Jesus is saying that it's not like we should reflect on our own prayers also. Sometimes we pray for something or pray for someone, and then we expect immediate answers, and it doesn't happen sometimes. We need to keep on asking again and again. We need to keep on praying again and again. We need to be persistent in our prayers, and Jesus will do the needful. Today, as we are reflecting on this reading, let us ask these questions to ourselves. Do we get discouraged when the persons or when the things which we are praying for does not change from one day to the next? Are we patient enough and allow Jesus to do his work in ourselves? These questions are the ones which come up from this gospel today, and Jesus is asking each and every one of us. Let us reflect on those as we go along this day. Let us ask God to work in our lives. Let us ask God to work according to his will. Sometimes we want the things to be done according to what we want. So let us ask Jesus to work through us and bring other people who have not yet seen Jesus, who are still in spiritual blindness, to Jesus.